Hey, do you have a disc sander in your shop which you struggle to get the new disc on and off? Well, in this quick tip today, we're going to show you how these can not only be used to maintain the discs that are on your disc sander, but make changing that disc so much easier. Instead of being a major hassle that takes 30 minutes to fix and clean up, you're going to be able to do that in a minute and a half. That's right. So keep watching. We're going to do that right now. Hey there, welcome to the Woodcrafting Place. My name is Ray Ruthin. If you're joining us for the first time, welcome. You've joined us on our channel where we aim to bring you more woodworking knowledge to help you improve your time effectiveness in the shop, to help you enjoy it more. And if you like what you see here, make sure you hit the thumb. That way we know we're doing is right, we're bringing you the right information. And subscribe and hit the bell. That way you get notified each week of all the content that we bring you. That way we know we're doing the right thing. And comments and questions are always welcome. And if there's something else you'd like to see, absolutely send us a suggestion. Let's start a conversation. Let's find out what it is you need to see more of. So let's get into it. Oh, and keep watching at the end. We're going to have a quick little bonus part of the tip you won't want to miss. Something that will really help make some element of your sanding a lot easier than one of these. You probably all have one of these somewhere. A lot of guys have this or a bigger unit, and there's a couple challenges that you will always face with your disc sander. One is the disc clogging up because you do a lot of sanding with it, and as soon as you start grinding away any good metal or wood, the surface gets clogged, and you can feel, if you listen, you can tell that that grit gets clogged up. And so the first part's really simple and quick. The safety glasses for this one. What you want to get is get yourself one of these gum rubber sticks. Really useful. Very quick and simple. Not bad, not bad. So, but let's say you've used that disc up and it's to the point where you don't have any good life left in it and you want to replace it. No, I don't know about you, but I have struggled on numerous occasions to get this off. This is a sticky back, and part of it always peels nicely, and then part of it stays stuck to the disc and behind it, and you scrape, and I got a chisel I turn on, and I make it like a little mini lathe to carve it off, and I have struggled. Well, I gave this some thought, and I had an aha moment. There's a simple solution to this. It's so simple, actually, I'm surprised it took me this long to figure it out. Your heat gun. It lifts right off. Can't get any better than that. Nice and simple task. This needs just a little bit of cleanup. If there's some glue left on it with some denatured alcohol, maybe you want to try some acetone, and you will be ready to put the new one right back on. So you saw it only took a minute and a half or 2 minutes. Don't know about you, but that task has taken me as much as 20-30 minutes to get that clean. I think that's an awesome task. That's it for today's tip. Okay, so that bonus tip we promised you, here we go. Heat gun is not just for the disc sander, the bench top. You're going to use it, it's going to work for one of these too. So I haven't tried this yet, so let's give it a try. Now this isn't metal, so you're going to want to keep this moving. Voila. Doesn't get any easier than that. So, ready for a new disc. I hope you liked it. Hope it brought you some good information, something that make your time in the shop much better. So that way you're got the disc sander back up and running in no time. If you look down below, you'll see links for the materials and the equipment that we used today. Thanks for joining us. We hope you enjoy this video. Before you move on to one of these videos to see some of the other great tips that we do and produce, make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit the bell. That way, as I said, you get notified of all the tips and tricks and woodworking knowledge we bring you each week. So until the next video, have yourself a great day.